I know Shorty Freeman. Personally, I met him. I met Boonie Black. I met Minister Rico. He's back there now. I met Larry Hoover. I met Jeff Ford. I don't know a lot of y'all with your Grim Reaper tattoos. I don't know a lot of y'all with your pretty girl tattoos, but I'm gonna tell you this, man. Where y'all come from, them men I just named, they the truth. I got a brother up here I need to speak to you all, and I'm letting you know, I love you all with your flaws, with your claws, with your robbing me attitudes. I still love y'all because I'm from that too.